Hello to all the deaf viewers. DIT is organizing an international tour. This time it's an amazing place, Malaysia. Malaysia is really a beautiful place. This 7-day tour begins on 9th May 2026. You will discover incredible places during this time. Excited? I'll share further details. DIT will provide 4 meals during the tour: breakfast, lunch, high tea, and dinner. Wonderful! It also includes sightseeing. You'll get to visit 20 different places. See the places here. Did you see? Amazing, isn't it? You'll visit the Petronas Twin Towers, Batu Caves, historical landmarks, and many other fascinating places where you can capture beautiful photos, create unforgettable memories, and cherish them long after the trip ends. Whenever you see these places on TV or in ads in India, just smile and remember you've already been there. You must definitely go. You can see the tour cost here. The last date of payment is 15th March 2026. You can contact the assigned person for further discussion. Remember, call only if you have a valid passport, otherwise, please do not. Don't be worried about departure or any other conveyance related matters. For your comfort, DIT will offer pickup and drop facility from 8 airports across India. You can see the 8 airports here. Did you see the places? Isn't it exciting? Contact them, join the trip, and enjoy the experience. Don't forget to share it.